Coco is a sweet little Maltipoo. He is 6 years old. Coco is very attached to his human mom. She works from home and is always with him, so he has some separation anxiety when she travels. He lives in beautiful Brookline. It is very walkable and has wonderful dog parks. There's also a nice front yard where he can play and search for rabbits. One day we went on an outing to Larz Anderson Park, which has a big grassy hill and walking paths. That was fun. When it rained, we played indoor games. Coco likes treat scavenger hunts and tug-of-war. He has a Kong that he thinks should always be refilled. We watched TV together too and hung out on the couch and did a little yoga. Coco's favorite thing is belly rubs. He is a pro snuggler. He'll even give his own belly a rub by dragging himself on the grass. Of course, there was salmon skin. It was a perfect vacation, and I was honored to be accepted by this sweet little guy. Let me show your pets a good time when you go away. Check out my other videos to see my animal friends hiking, trying new snacks, playing games, and more. Every pet deserves a vacation with at Megan 6. Please subscribe to my channel and look for me on Facebook and Instagram to share cute and fun animal adventures.